Deep in an abandoned industrial zone, something massive has been left to rust for decades. But what exactly was this place? This colossal structure once melted steel at over 1,000 degrees. A forgotten factory with a secret buried inside its walls. Inside, a process unlike anything you've seen. Fire, glass, metal, all reborn. What is this place really building? You won't believe what it becomes. This is what it becomes. But you'll have to see the entire transformation to believe it. From rust to fire to pure luxury. The full transformation, every single step, coming very soon.
This is a steel foundry furnace. Its job is simple: melt raw scrap metal at extremely high temperatures, over 1,000, until it turns into liquid steel.
Here's how it works. Scrap metal is loaded into the furnace and heated using intense fire or electric coils. Once it becomes fully liquid, workers carefully pour it into molds. Scrap metal goes in, melts inside the furnace, gets poured into molds, cools down, and comes out as new steel bars. The full video releases tomorrow, 6 p.m. Don't miss the complete transformation.